In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up field history tracking in Salesforce. Field history tracking is a powerful feature in Salesforce that allows you to monitor changes made to your records. This can be incredibly useful for auditing and ensuring the integrity of your data. So let's walk through the setup process together. First, let's begin by navigating to your Salesforce homepage. You'll want to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already, as this is where we'll access the settings needed for field history tracking. Once you're on the home page, look to the upper right corner for the Quick Settings icon. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu that provides quick access to essential administrative functions. This is your starting point to configure the back-end settings. Next, in the drop-down menu, you'll see an option that says Open Advanced Setup. Click on this to access more detailed settings. This setup is where you can configure different aspects of your Salesforce instance, including field history tracking. Now that you're in the advanced setup, you'll need to locate the field history tracking option. There's a search bar at the top of the page. Simply type field history tracking into this bar and press enter. This will bring up the option we need, making it easier to find among the many settings available in Salesforce. Once you've located field history tracking, click on it to continue. You'll be presented with a list of objects for which you can enable tracking. Here, you want to choose the specific object you're interested in. This could be anything from accounts to custom objects where keeping track of changes is essential for your processes. After selecting the object, you'll see a View button next to it. Clicking on View will provide you with a rundown of the available fields within that object that you can monitor. It's essential to understand which fields are critical for your tracking needs so you can make informed decisions. Now, focus on enabling account history if that's relevant to your tracking requirements. This feature allows you to keep a detailed log of changes, providing transparency and accountability. You will then choose the specific fields you want to track within the object. It's crucial to select fields that are significant for your audit trails or reporting purposes. Be strategic with this choice to maximize the benefits of history tracking. Once you've selected the fields, you'll see a checkbox next to each one. Checking this box activates the tracking for those particular fields, so double-check your selections to ensure accuracy. Finally, after confirming your field choices, go ahead and click on Save. This step is crucial as it ensures all your configurations are stored and that field history tracking is now active for the selected fields. Congratulations! You've successfully set up field history tracking in Salesforce, paving the way for better data management and oversight.